My name is Evan Davies and I'm from Llanbradach in Caerphilly. I applied for the apprenticeship because I tried uni and then dropped out after about 6 months because it wasn't as hands-on as I would have liked it. So I looked for an apprenticeship which I knew would try and get me straight into the industry, a bit more hands-on and foot in the door, that sort of thing. And in all honesty, you get paid for this, you don't get paid for uni, so that helped. That was a bonus. There's a few areas I'm interested in. There's casting, there's screenwriting, and there's location. Any of them I'd be more than happy with, but honestly anything that makes me a well-known name in the industry, in Wales if not abroad.